being theta is equals to theta 1, and distribution of x is given. So the rejection rule is that we have to reject h naught always if x is equals to 0. So we're rejecting h naught always if x is equals to 0, and if x is equals to 1, we reject h naught only if like unbiased coins give both heads. So that means, so since coins are unbiased, like probability of both heads will be 1 by 4. So that means basically if x is equals to 2 or x is equals to 3, like we are not rejecting. So that means basically this test is, so we can say that the test is randomized at x is equals to 1. This is randomized at x is equals to 1. So by definition, like probability of type 1 error, so that is nothing but alpha, which is probability of theta naught under h naught rejecting h naught. So the contribution from x is equals to 0, probability of theta naught x is equals to 0, like when x is 1, so that is nothing but 1 by 4, and probability of theta naught when x is equals to 0, so that is also 1 by 4 given in the table. So that means and like we have the rejection probability given x is equals to 1 as probability of both heads, which is 1 by 4. So that means the contribution is 1 by 4 into 1 by 4, which is 1 by 16. So alpha is nothing but 1 by 4 plus 1 by 16, which is 4 by 16 plus 1 by 16, which is 5 by 16. So therefore option B is the correct answer for type 1 error. Whereas for type 2 error, so type 2 error is defined as beta, which is probability of theta 1, and when we fail to reject h naught. So that means that is nothing but 1 minus probability of theta 1 and rejecting this h naught. So when x is equals to 0, we always reject. So probability of theta 1 x is equals to 0. So from the table we can notice that it is 0.20. Whereas probability of theta 1 x is equals to 1 is 0.40, and this reject with probability 1 by 4. So contribution is, so probability of theta 1 rejecting this h naught, so that is 0.20 plus 0.40 into contribution is 1 by 4th. So that means that is 0.30. So beta is nothing but 1 minus 0.30, which is 0.7, which is nothing but 7 by 10. So therefore option C is the correct answer. Therefore B and C are the correct options.